Hi, welcome back to Biology Circuit. In this video, I will talk about the levels of eukaryotic chromosomal organization. So let's start. How it is possible to feed a 2 meter of DNA into a nucleus of only 10 micrometer diameter. So, an average human cell contains about 6.4 billion base pairs of DNA divided among 46 chromosomes. And these chromosomes are composed of chromatin, a complex of DNA and protein. 40% DNA and 60% protein. So, how this least contains thread-like interphase chromatin transformed into compact metaphase chromosome. During interphase, chromosomes are less densely packed. So, in this phase of cell cycle, DNA is accessible to the protein, involves in replication, transcription and other processes. And once the mitotic chromosome formed, its compact nature makes it inaccessible to replication and transcription factors. So, this process cannot occur. So why histone attracts DNA? Histone is a basic protein because of its high basic amino acid contents. It is positively charged, and this positively charged histone attracts the negative phosphate group of DNA. So this histone DNA interaction forms a bead-like unit called nucleosome. Now see. This DNA wraps around histones, forming a number of nucleosome. Okay, the lowest level of chromatin organization, and this nucleosome form a beads on string structure, and they pack into a coil and twist into another larger coil, producing a condensed supercoiled chromatin fibers. These fibers fold to form loops, and these loops coil to forming a chromosome. Now come to the detailed structure of nucleosome. This nucleosome are composed of a core of histone protein and DNA wrapped around that core, approximately 1.65 tons around this core. The DNA between two nucleosomes is called linker DNA, 20 to 60 base pair in length, and the DNA associated with this core is called core DNA, approximately 147 base pair. Okay, so the histone core of each nucleosome consists of two copies of each histones, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. They are assembled into an octamer, and the remaining histone, H1, binds near the sites where the DNA enters and exits the nucleosome. Okay. This is the linker DNA. This is H1 histone. Core histones wrapped by DNA. So this is the basic view of chromosomal organization of eukaryotes. this DNA, then nucleosome, then form solenoid structure, loops, and then coiled again. Finally, this chromosome. Hope it will be helpful.